Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Yes guys, today is Hot Wing Wednesday. Yes, and we have lemon pepper hot wings, and here we have Asian style hot wings. Okay, we have bubbly, we have Big Bertha, we have ice, we have hot sauce. Kevin, what they gotta do? Tap, 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 and tap again. The like, share, and subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell, guys. I made these wings myself, guys. Let's get this thumbnail. Let's get it. Yes. Ready? Put your head like that. Yeah. Okay, so we got it at 48. 48. All right. Let's do this. Okay? I haven't tasted any of it. I've been sucking on my fingers and stuff, but I have not tasted anything. Let's get Big Bertha ready because this one is spicy. Okay. Baby, you want to put ice on your cup? Okay. Guys, let me know how you're doing in the comments below. We went fishing again today. We woke up at 5. We left at 6, right? We got there, what, like 7:30?
No, 6:30.
6:30? Oh, we got there at 6:30 in the morning, guys, okay? And what's the name of the place, baby? Because I honestly, I have forgotten.
Topsail, North Carolina. Seaview Pier.
South what, baby, again?
Seaview Pier.
Seaview Pier.
Topsail,
North Carolina. If you guys are ever in this area, it's the best. Oh my God, $14 for each person to get in on to the pier. They got rods for $8, 2 rods per person. They got bait, right? They got shrimp. They got squid, right? And you can catch your own bait too, because there were people there catching bluefish.
Yeah.
For to catch king
King mackerel.
mackerel, the big king mackerels, and people were catching it. We didn't catch that because we weren't there for that. But baby, let's get into these wings. Please, let's get into these wings. Okay, I get dirty. I don't use a fork. Big Bertha, let's have some fun, baby. Guys, I hope you guys are keeping your mind positive and working on your goals, and don't let anyone take you out of character. Listen, if you don't think things are not possible, they are possible. I am a living testament that anything you put your mind to and you work on is possible. I'm a living testament. I can't tell you nothing different. Guys, let's have this bite. Let's take this bite. I made them here in the hotel room. Yes, and these are the Asian style, spicy. Okay. Ooh. Yes.
Excellent.
Excellent, baby. Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
Very good.
Ooh, I'm giving those a little chance because I had to cook 2 separate. We only got one frying pan and a conventional oven that comes along with the room. So I had to do it separate. I made the Asian. I cooked all of them first. I cooked them through first. Then I separated half, and I left half in the pot to make Asian style wings, hot wings. And then when those were cooked, I put it in this bowl, and then I made the lemon pepper wings. Right, babe? Oh, baby.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh, do it for me, wings. Do it for me. Oh my God, they taste so good. I don't need hot sauce. This is hot. Oh my God, I'm hungry. Guys, we have not eaten today. We are hungry. I mean, really, really hungry today, guys, okay? I brought my smoothie with me that I made in New York. I still have a whole 2-liter bottle that I put it in. And but Kevin didn't eat anything. I didn't eat anything waiting to get here, you know? Mm. 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 Well worth it. Mm. Guys, this is so good. Oh my God. I killed it. In a hotel room, guys. With a small little frying pan. And a conventional oven. I mean, frying hot plate. It's a hot plate.
Excellent.
Mmm. Oh, the lemon pepper do it for me. Mmm. Baby. Mmm. Oh my God. Tell me, babe.
No, delicious.
Oh, I'm not. Guys, I cannot make this up. I can't lie to you guys.
No.
This is too good to be true right now. It's too good.
They don't need hot sauce.
These don't need hot sauce. They're really spicy.
Yeah, they're excellent though.
Mm.
Makes up for the Taco Bell hot sauce.
Mm. Oh my God, I'm so hungry, Kevin.
Is that Diablo?
Yeah, the Diablo wasn't spicy at all.
Disappointing.
It wasn't spicy at all. But that's because my palate, I'm so used to spicy that the hot sauce from Taco Bell didn't do anything to me. Oh, it's not salty, right?
On point.
It's on point. Oh. Oh. I like these better though.
Yes.
And we let it cool down. Because I just took these out the pot. These are steaming hot. These I cooked first and they've been sitting here waiting for these. But we did a good job. We did a good job. Oh my God.
All the credit goes to you.
Mm. Oh. 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 Stop it. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. So good. So good. Guys. Oh. We had any adventures today? How many species of fish did we catch today that we've never caught?
4.
We caught 4 different species of fish today. We went to the same pier that we went to the day before yesterday, which was Monday. We went to the same pier today. But today, we caught 4 more different species besides, you know, right?
Mm-hmm.
The
ribbon fish.
The ribbon fish. We caught a lot of those, and I got video that I will be posting soon. I recorded that on your iPad, not on my phone. So baby.
Yeah, you did yourself.
Oh my God.
Excellent.
Ah.
Excellent.
Oh my God. Guys, I seasoned that chicken. We went to Kmart. In Kmart, I bought all-purpose seasoning and garlic. That's what I seasoned the chicken wings with. I washed them real good, dried them real good, and seasoned them with garlic powder and all-purpose seasoning, right? Then when they were cooked, I had my my Asian style and room for more. Hey, and room for more. Hey, and room for more. Guys, I have a tan. My nose is red. Guys, listen, I'm having a ball. Baby, come get these wings before they disappear. These unbelievable. Where there's a will, there's a way, guys. Okay? I did not want to buy wings outside. Okay? I really, really like my food. I like my cooked food. Okay? Trust me. And yesterday we did Taco Bell. It was okay, but I'm not going to be eating out every day. So I'm so glad that I made it. And when we're finished here, we're going to rest, clean up and stuff. And we're going to Planet Fitness. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, my God, baby.
Yeah, you did good.
Mm. Wow. Cooked right through. Nice and soft. Oh, baby.
Yep.
Let's eat these wings. Oh, my God. This lemon pepper one here, right here, is out of this world, too. Wow. Oh. Do it for me. Guys, do it for me. Wow. Guys, I was looking forward to this today. Oh my God. Let me tell you. We were at the fishing pier and I was telling Kevin, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Everything. Baby, come on. Let's do this. Come on. We got 2 here and 2 here. We got to do this.
Good for one more. Because I'm full.
Baby, come on now. Stop it. This is meat. This is protein. Mm-hmm. You know, we watch our weight, guys, because I'm big bone. He's big bone. You know, we're big people. Right, baby?
Yes.
And we're easily, you know, we can easily gain weight. But guys, I'm so happy. I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy. I'm really content. You know, I'm really happy. Big Bertha, come on now. Baby, you want this? Take this last one. Come on. Here, take this last one. And I'll take these.
All right.
Yeah, these wings are too good to it's just too much. Oh my God. Oh, baby, we ate all these wings. We ate all these wings. I'm taking the skin out because that's one thing that I can eat. I've eaten it, and I don't mind. Let me dip it in here too. Oh my God, baby. Are you enjoying yourself, baby?
So good.
So we started the video late because he likes fishing. You know, and when things start popping off, you don't stop. You know? And he was like, the video, and I was like, yes, I know I'm gonna do my video. Don't worry about it. Just enjoy yourself because, you know, we haven't been enjoying ourselves this kind of way in a very long time.
Yeah, tell them this is our thing.
This is what
like
we
to
do. Fish. This is what we like to do, fish. Maybe you want this last way?
No, on a boat, I'm sure, with Kobe.
Everywhere. Wings done. Oh my God. Guys, listen. I wanted to share this. Without God, there's nothing possible. God opens doors for you when you do the right thing. And that's where I'm at right now, guys. I want you to know that I love you so much, guys. From the bottom of my heart. I want you to believe that, okay? And I want to thank you for watching me. I want to thank you for watching me to the end. If you did, kudos to the both of us, guys. Don't forget to tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys. And that notification bell, guys. I cannot express how exciting this is for me. Big Bertha, come on. Oh my God, guys. Don't let nobody take you out of character, guys. Right? Continue to work on your goals, guys. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. We're almost over. The week is almost over. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow for Throwback Thursday. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but it's Throwback Thursday, and we're eating. We got to eat, right? So I love you guys. Bye. Bye. I got to get up and turn the camera on. Bye.